All of the beautiful Stonetile pillars have a hollow inner plywood substructure. As a general rule, if you are planning on using 18-inch tiles or moldings, your wood structure must be 1 inch less. The same holds true for other dimensions. A 12-inch tile needs to be mounted on an 11-inch substructure, and so on. This is due to the 10mm hangers that are behind all tiles and moldings. The best way to build these pillar substructures is from 3/8 and 3/4 inch plywood. This material, if properly blocked every 4 feet, will result in pillars that are not twisted and do not swell up after a rainstorm. Do not use OSB for this pillar substructure. You need 2 3/8 inch thick panels of 17-inch by 8 feet and 2 3/4 inch panels of 16¼ inch by 8 feet. Then for your blocking, you will need 3/4 inch plywood of 16¼ inch by 15½ inch. If your pillar is higher than 8 feet, you should stagger the sheets of plywood. Please consult an engineer for very tall pillars. These pillars are not designed to be load-bearing. You can see here how we have dealt with the load-bearing support. Use preserved wood at the bottom or apply a wood preservative at the bottom 18 inches. These plywood structures do not require to be wrapped in building paper unless they are actually attached to a wall. Just install the Stonetile product onto the bare wood. On pillars, you need to take a vertical measurement to see what cuts you need to make. You should cut the bottom tile or molding pieces, and if more cutting is required, then cut the top pieces also. If plinth is used at the bottom and a horizontal molding at the top, then you would avoid cutting those. This piece of fluted molding needs some custom work. As you cut through the molding, be careful not to cut all the way through the hangers on the back. Flip it over and cut the hanger so you leave a section to drill into, as seen here. Sometimes there is no hanger, or it gets cut off. In this case, just install a J-clip as seen here. The 18-inch fluted ends need a 45-degree miter cut right here. If you are using fluted or Gothic moldings on a pillar, cut them here,